Let's now go across to Ballabgarh where Rahul Gandhi is speaking.
What do you mean it's an open photo op? Yes, absolutely. I will visit. I will visit again and again and again.
राहुल, आपने कहा कि ये जो मांग करेंगे आपसे सिर्फ कहना है, इन्होंने सीबीआई जांच की मांग की है, क्या आप दबाव डालेंगे सीबीआई जांच के लिए सरकार पर?
बिल्कुल दबाव डालेंगे। हम चाहते हैं कि ऐसी घटना नहीं हो और हम इसके लिए लड़ेंगे। धन्यवाद।
सर, हरियाणा सीएम इज विजिटिंग।
थैंक यू।
अरे सुन,
Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi there visiting just after he visited Ballabgarh and the home of the Dalit family where two children were burnt alive allegedly by upper caste villagers. Hitting out angrily at the media there, you could hear Rahul Gandhi denying this was just a photo op. Remember, many politicians are descending on the village today. We've had left's Brinda Karat there, Rahul Gandhi visiting there, and the Chief Minister is also expected. Let's just listen in to what the Congress Vice President said.
अत्याचार हो रहा है। परिवार से मैंने यहाँ बात की और उन्होंने मुझसे सवाल पूछा कि हमने क्या गलती की, हमारे बच्चों को क्यों जलाया गया, हमने क्या गलती की। गलती कुछ नहीं की। बात सिर्फ ये है कि वो गरीब हैं, कमजोर हैं, इसलिए उन पे अत्याचार हुआ है। कुछ दिन पहले यहाँ पे लोग एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के पास गए। एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के लोगों ने उनसे कहा आप अभी आपका कोई मरा नहीं है, आप वापस जाइए। ये चीफ मिनिस्टर की जिम्मेदारी है। अलग अलग इंसिडेंट्स हो रहे हैं, हरियाणा में हो रहे हैं, बाकी हिंदुस्तान में हो रहे हैं, और ये यहाँ के चीफ मिनिस्टर की जिम्मेदारी है कि ये यहाँ ऐसी घटना नहीं हो। जिन्होंने किया है उनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए, और जो पुलिस वाले हैं जो अपना काम ठीक से नहीं कर रहे हैं उनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए। यहाँ के लोग जो परिवार के लोग हैं वो सीबीआई इंक्वायरी चाहते हैं, तो ये मांगे हैं। मगर सच्चाई ये है कि यहाँ पे कमजोर लोगों की, गरीब लोगों की सरकार नहीं है। यहाँ पे अत्याचार हो रहा है, गरीब लोग दबाए जा रहे हैं, मारे जा रहे हैं। बिल्कुल गलत है।
राहुल, लोगों को काफी उम्मीद है आपसे, आपने क्या आश्वासन दिया? उनकी जो डिमांड की थी सीबीआई के लिए, आपने क्या आश्वासन दिया? क्योंकि मैंने
उनसे कहा है कि जो भी मैं यहाँ इनकी मदद कर सकता हूँ, दबाव डालने का काम जो भी ये मुझसे चाहते हैं मैं करने को तैयार हूँ, सिर्फ उन्हें मुझे कहना है।
पुलिसकर्मी सुरक्षा में थे, एक भी
This is an attitude. This is an attitude shared by the Prime Minister and the Chief Minister of the state and the entire BJP and the RSS. The attitude is that if somebody is weak, he can be crushed. That is the attitude. This is what you are seeing is the result of this attitude. There is
photo op, sir.
Yeah.
BJP is saying it's a photo op. Yeah. Photo op. It's a photo of the youth.
That's insulting.
Rahul Gandhi there speaking to the media after visiting the family of the two children who were burnt alive. Now, in embarrassment for the BJP government in Haryana, with own ally Ramvilas Paswan blaming the government squarely for what took place in Ballabgarh, saying this is a law and order issue, and where were the police?
परिवार में को आग लगाई गई है और उसके बाद पुलिस सिक्योरिटी भी वहाँ दी गई थी पिछले 3-4 महीने से। रामविलास जी, क्या आप राज्य सरकार की भी जवाबदेही इसमें मानते हैं?
नहीं, टोटली राज्य सरकार की जवाबदेही होती है। लॉ एंड ऑर्डर का जो मामला है, हालांकि शेड्यूल कास्ट शेड्यूल ट्राइब्स का जो है हम लोग कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल प्रोटेक्शंस है, लेकिन जो पूरा का पूरा मामला है राज्य सरकार का ही।
Well, let's go across to Bhairavi now for more. And Bhairavi, politicians, they're descending on the village. Also, the protesters blocking the highway. And the bodies of the two young children have come back home.
Well, absolutely, Gargi. The bodies of the two little children have come back home, and that's really angered the villagers here, who are extremely upset with what they say has been the complete police inaction. They say that there was a written complaint sent just a week before. Nothing happened on that. On the night of the incident as well, there was police presence here, police presence that was specifically for this family. But where were they when this incident happened? So many questions, of course. The police under extreme pressure now, as many more politicians make the beeline for this place. Also, of course, the fact now is, the latest is that 9 police officials have been suspended for inaction. There are 11 people who are accused in all. 4 have now been apprehended, but the rest are absconding. But as we were hearing earlier on, as Rahul Gandhi was pointing out, that this is not a photo op for him, that he would come here again and again because Dalits and the weaker sections are being crushed. Gargi, what we're seeing is that this is now no longer just an issue of this village, but of course also now being heavily politicized by all parties. Ram Vilas Paswan, an ally of the BJP, also accusing the BJP state government of inaction. So this is an election season, and all political parties are making sure that they are seen on the right side. But the real tragedy is now that this particular little village has been deeply divided on caste violence, and especially after those 2 bodies of those little children arrived. Angry villagers here saying, why is it that this has happened? These lives could have been saved, especially because the police knew that there was rivalry between these 2 sides for the last 1 year.